In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly access your camera by double pressing down on the down volume key or the power button on a Xiaomi phone, which is running the MIUI operating system. In this demonstration, I'm using MIUI version 14, so if your phone is a bit older, the process may be a little different. So to access your camera by double pressing down on the volume key or the power button is fairly simple. So swipe down from the top of the screen and select the gear icon. If not, you can also swipe up from your home screen to reveal all the apps and look for the settings icon, which is under the letter S. Select that. And then the quickest way to do this is by using the search box at the very top. So type in camera, usually CAM is enough. And once the option to launch camera is visible, tap on that option. And then it gives you two options. You can either double press the power button to bring up the camera, or you can double press the volume down key when the camera screen is locked. So you can enable both of these options, or just one or the other. Personally, I just prefer the volume button. Once that's done, you can then close that. And once your camera phone is locked, you can double press down on the volume down key and the camera will open up straight away without you selecting the app. So that's it. Thanks for watching.